Yep, so there we go. Hole on the passenger side's been sorted now with a panel. Not pretty, but it'll be sweet once it's ground back. You'll notice 4 spot ball plug welds, plug holes. That's to hold it to the box section from underneath the car. So again, it was a last minute consideration, and I'm glad I did it now. So, and it just helped to keep the panel in place for when I was welding around the outside anyway. So yeah, win-win all round. So I'm just gonna grind it all up now, clean it all up, and then I've got 2 spots here where the brake cables are mounted to. It's all too soft. I'm not going to bother going to these lengths and not just sort these little 2 spots as well. This one in the corner. Yeah, so I'm just going to grind them back off as well, see how big they end up being, and then yeah, just crack on. Fold this back down, weld it, dress it all up again, and then I'll probably just paint all this section so I know all this section's all done, and then see what time I've got left to sort these out. If I can put a couple of plates on them or not. I might not get round to doing it today, we'll see, but I can at least grind it back in preparation, and then hopefully we can get it looking like the driver's side, and then just deal with anything that needs tidying up underneath. But yeah, get some seam sealer on, paint, happy days. Catch up soon. So all ground back, the 2 patches sorted as well. Get them seam sealed now. There we go, all seam sealed up. Ready for some rust protection now. Let that dry overnight.